Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, today I wanted to show you some grease lamps, and I'll probably switch up and call them fat lamps because I'm so used to calling them that, but I think grease lamps is the most popular name for them. Today I wanted to show you 3 quick and easy lamps that you can build as containers for the fuel, the fats, the oils that we'll be burning, and I wanted to showcase that you can burn either. As far as fuel, you can burn plant, animal, or petroleum greases and oils. So I thought I had a piece of bamboo where I could take and show you where I cut out a segment, but I did not have any that wasn't cracked. So we'll use this old fat lamp here made out of bamboo, and last time I used it I had a deep well right here, but I'm not going to burn a lot today. Let's just use this end. So because it's so high up, so high away from the well, we can use the bottom of it as a handle to move it around. Then I want to make a lamp out of this can and a lamp out of some tin foil. So let me go ahead and make them, and then I'll give you some close-up shots of them. And this is the fun part of it. You can be creative when it comes to making up your own containers. Oh, you'll have a solar collector on the bottom of this one in addition to your lamp. So I want to roll this down as a bit of a handle. How about that? That's one. And then the bamboo with a segment is cutting off the, what is that called, a node? And let me show you what I had in mind on the tin foil. Pull off a square piece, fold it into thirds, and then, what is this, about 4 inches? Make about 1 4-inch fold upward, like that, and then start forming a reservoir, a bowl, and just keep working it. And I thought that I would actually, of course this is going to fashion a handle right here, I thought I would fashion a handle that comes back around and helps to stabilize the container, the bowl, the grease lamp, however you want to call it. There, that's pretty stable right there. Let me show you what I got here. With that tall base, I'll be able to pick it up down here and not get burnt if I need to move it around. I like the way the handle, that handle comes down and stabilizes the lamp. And this is pretty simple. There's a solar collector on the bottom. Whoa! So let's give them a try. All right, I found a dark enough spot to do this in. Let's go ahead and do the vegetable. Crisco vegetable oil. Whoa, that's full to the top. We'll see how that turns out. Alright, and good old faithful petroleum product, Vaseline. Let's just Vaseline. I'll go ahead and spread it out just a little bit. It doesn't need much. It's going to heat up and then start wicking. And any rendered animal fat will work. I used to use hamburger grease all the time when I was using 80-20 hamburger. Now that I've switched to 95%, I never have any extra lard, but I imagine bacon grease would work. Any rendered animal fat ought to work. Whoa, this is really, that lard is really hard. Let's try that. Let me get the lid for the lard. I'll be right back. All right. Wasn't too bad. Let's let them burn a little bit and see how they do. All right. Let's take a look at them. Look what a great flame this vegetable oil is doing. That long base, you can use it as a handle to pick it up with. And here's a little tinfoil lamp with the Vaseline and the lard and that Coke can. Yeah, they're working pretty good. Now this, as much oil as I put in there accidentally, it's probably going to burn an hour. This isn't going to burn long. Vaseline burns right up, seems like. So you might get 15 minutes total out of this. Might get 15 minutes total out of that animal fat, petroleum fat, and vegetable fat. Better known as grease lamps. All right, y'all, I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.